Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I will introduce myself. My name is Latif Rahim, and my partner Muhammad Final Ristio and Rizky Royhan Suarto. In here, we make a project entitled Administering Bimbal F1 in Windows Server 2019. In this project, we create configure AGGS, configure GPO, network file service, DNS, VPN in remote access, and monitoring server.
Okay, so first thing first, we manage and configure the IDDS and accounts. We need to join the other server to the main server via join domain. So in the picture, this is the picture of the second server. As you can see in the Active Directory users and computers, there are two computers who is domain controllers. Okay, next. Next is we manage to configure the GPO settings for the server. In the left picture, uh, that's a client computer that cannot access the several system function, and we choose to forbidden access command prompt and registry editor, and we add one group policy settings that can refresh the group policy every 5 minutes. I will show you uh, the example. This is the client computer, and this is the main server. For this is the GPO settings for the client, and currently the command prompt is disabled, so the client can open the command prompt. Okay, now we will disable it. For the GPO setting, we will enable, apply, and we need to update the GPO. Wait for the process. Okay, successfully reopen again, and now the client cannot access the command prompt. For the right picture, that's for the client that edit to the GPO settings, the client GPO. So the client is inside the GPO settings for applying the GPO settings. Okay, next.
Next, manage and configure DNS. DNS or domain name system is network service that resolve computer and service to IP addresses. The function of DNS is for translating hostname or for translating hostname to IP address or the opposite. Okay, on the left picture is create host in forward lookup zone. Forward lookup zone is for translation hostname to IP address. In here we give the hostname is server and input IP address that we want create to DNS. And then on the right picture is create pointer of hostname that already exists in reverse lookup zone. Reverse lookup zone is the reverse of the forward lookup zone, that is for translation IP address to hostname. In here, input IP address and hostname that match the domain name when creating the previous host. And then in here we test the DNS that have been made with NSLOOKUP command. NSLOOKUP is used to view information about DNS in domain. And we can see the picture on the top left is test from first server, and on the top right is test from the second server, and the bottom is test from the client. And next, manage network file service. In here, we use the file management task. file management task is a service that can move expired files to designated folder location or to perform custom tasks. In the right picture is file that is on the client, and if the file management is run manually or running according to schedule, and then file will move to the designated folder as shown on the left is file that has been moved.
VPN in remote access. A remote access VPN works by creating a virtual tunnels between an employee's device and the company networks. This tunnel goes toward the public internet, but the data sent back and forth third is the protected by encryption and security protocol to help keep it private and secure. A network access server could be the dedicated server or it might be a software application running on a shared server. Uh, on the left, the picture left is the name, the device name that the connect to VPN server, and the picture right, this is a client to connect VPN connection server. Right. Monitoring server. Server monitoring is an activity where you monitoring the result on the server, such as CPU usage, memory, RAM consumption, disk usage, input, output, network, and others. If you have ever opened Text Manager on a Windows operating system, the monitoring server has similar with Text Manager. With a server monitoring tools help you in mining the server under normal circumstances. The picture bottom at top left, this is a task manager. In your manager, you can see processor, performance, user, details, and service. In the top right, this is the reliability monitor. See when we use the computer. And the bottom left, this is the resort monitor. Can see in more details about the running time and numbers running on the CPU, memory, disk, and the network. And the bottom right, this is the performance monitor. Here, see the performance, the computer in the system, in diagnosis, system performance, and the reports. Thanks.
That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.